What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Something a little bit different than what we've been doing lately. I figured it's been a while since we've gotten out and actually driven the STI and done a little bit of that. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Picked up one of these Osmo action cameras on a hat mount, so hopefully get some pretty sweet POV drives. But beautiful day. Should be a nice little cruise up Mount Lemon. Check this thing out, dude. Just this Whipple alone is bigger than my entire motor, so that's it's comforting. Check this out, Tartufal seats.
Yeah, one of you guys.
It's got to be like the only one in America with the Tartufal seats. This is a pretty sweet spec. This is like a darker green than the Isle of Man, but this is sweet, dude. The carbon buckets too. Here we go. Dude, that G80, so clean. One day, boys. One day, we will have it. Ooh, there's a lip. Bouncing off the walls sounds so good. The spec is definitely insane.
Yeah, man, I love the steering wheel. So far, so good. No complaints.
Sheesh.
I mean, it has all the gadgets, you know.
The new LCR wheel is so nice, dude.
Oh, dude, it's nice. Yeah, they did a lot of carbon.
I don't even want to touch it.
Don't touch it, bro. I know where them hands been.
Yeah, dude, the Tartufo is insane. If I haven't said it before, I really want to get back into another Euro car. I feel like I didn't get enough time with the 340, the M340, and I know it's not like a full-on M car, but it was still that kind of Euro experience. So one day, baby steps at a time, but that G80 is super sweet. I always go back and forth. I have this like dilemma on whether or not I want to build out the STI or if I want to just kind of keep it as a daily and get another project car and, you know, rebuild that and maybe get back into the Euro scene. I just don't know, because there's part of me that, you know, thinks that rotated, you know, built block STIs are super sweet, but there's also part of me that realizes that, you know, I want to try something new. I've kind of been in the Subaru game for a while now. I mean, my first car was a WRX, so I had the WRX, and then I had the 340 for a little while. Unfortunately, you all know what happened to that, but now I'm back in the Subaru game, and don't get me wrong, I love this car, but I don't know. I want to branch out, do something new. But what do you guys think? Do we put everything into this car, or do we save up and get one of these? Car is really fun though. I mean, I think people get so caught up in this like power chase that people don't actually enjoy these cars stock. And these cars stock with just, I mean, mine's not stock, but it's pretty stock motor-wise, just an intake and a catback. So it's pretty much the same power as it was from the factory. It's fun. It really is fun. I have some other parts that I'm waiting to install once the kind of garage situation has settled down a little bit. That should kind of make it more engaging, but they're fun stock. I think it all comes down to how you drive it. So that's what I'm saying. It's like, this car is fun as the way it is. Yeah, maybe it's not the most, you know, powerhouse of a car, but it is fun and it looks really good. So why not just enjoy it and then focus on something new? I do think I definitely need new shifter bushings or, you know, some type of fix for the transmission, because quite frequently I get locked out of third. If I'm really like driving third in, I would like to get that fixed, because sometimes, especially when I'm flat foot shifting, if I'm really just getting after it, it locks me out of third and then the RPMs go up super fast. So I'd honestly planned on doing some installs this weekend, but unfortunately I have no way to get into either of the garages. Speaking of garage, made some significant progress in the new space. Last weekend, went here and got everything all painted. And then as you can tell, we now have a garage door. So that's pretty sweet. I think after going through and getting everything white in here, I'm definitely not gonna do white on the garage floor. I think it's just gonna look like a hospital in here. So probably gonna do a darker color, something gray or kind of steel colored. I think it'll go well with the white in here. But pretty soon, they're gonna pour the concrete slab so that we can actually get cars into the garage. So that'll be pretty sweet. In the actual living space, everything is coming together pretty well. We have all the walls and ceiling painted. Just have to do the floors, but it's looking pretty good. It's definitely gonna be a pretty awesome space to be in. Show you guys what the garage door looks like. Pretty cool. It's like this bronze, kind of metallic, rustic vibes, but I think with the exterior, it looks pretty good. Get out of the dirt. Come on. She makes it like her mission to lay down everywhere where it's like the worst possible place to lay down. It's definitely coming along super well. I think, well, not I think, I know I'll be in the space by the end of the year. So next month, hopefully, which I'm looking forward to. I really enjoyed yesterday's video. It's always nice to like get out and have a chance to drive the cars. And I feel like I want to do that more often, because honestly, like that's what it's all about. It's the whole reason we have these things is to drive them. So why not make that an important part of the content? Once construction is finished, I'll have a lot less on my plate so I can actually get out and start making content. This right here, taking up a huge chunk of my time. It'll be worth it in the long run. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And with that, we'll see you in the next one.